Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max, and this brief video today is really just to showcase this absolute beast behind me. This is the Lexus LM350h. It's a brand new vehicle. Apparently the owner of this car is one of the first to actually receive it in the UK. So I think there's only a few of these around. There's one inside John Cleese Cardio right now. Probably not by the time you watch this video. Now, I just wanted to make this brief video just to showcase this car a little bit. It's absolutely awesome what is inside and around this vehicle. In terms of what we've done to this vehicle, we've actually fitted an insurance approved tracking device, keep this customer's insurance company happy. It's also to allow for a bit of a plan in place if this vehicle is ever to get stolen. On this particular vehicle, we've installed the Trak S5 VTS tracker. That is a tracker where you have a set of tags on your keys. This is just purely a tracker on this vehicle, but you can actually upgrade it to have immobilization. This particular vehicle behind me here is just in for the base Trak S5 VTS system. It's going to spend most of its life living behind gated properties, so customers not really too worried about it getting nicked. I'm just going to give you a little tour around the car and show you what else is going on. Just having a little bit of a walk around this beast. As I said, this is like one of the first in the UK. It is a large vehicle. It's currently right at the end of the day. Everyone's gone home, but I've stayed behind just to showcase to our YouTube channel what this vehicle looks like, as many of you would have never seen one in the flesh. Now, where I'm going to start with first is I'm going to go into the driving seat. So driving position's very nice in this car, very roomy up the front here. You've got a privacy glass window to prevent you from seeing people inside the back. Now, the vehicle, this is the keys to the vehicle. Now, this here is the Trak tracking tag. This is called an identity tag. Now, this tag you just need to keep on you within your possession, and if the vehicle ignition is turned on, the vehicle wakes up and this tag is nowhere to be seen, you as the customer will be getting a call on your telephone from the tracking company to say, Mr. Joe Bloggs, are you with your vehicle, because we've had an alert that has been started without its identity tag. So you get two tags with the tracking package, so you keep one for your main key and another one for your spare key. Inside the front of this vehicle, it's very kitted out with heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, and a whopping massive display. And also a bunch of controls to control this panel here, but you've also got controls like that in the back. So I'm going to hop into the back of the car to give you a little bit of a talk through what's inside the back of the car. Now, just before I go into the back of the car, on the Trak system, you do have an application on your phone. I don't have it logged in right now, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys, but the tracking application will allow you to track the vehicle, see history on it, journey data, so you can see how well your chauffeur is driving you around. But the short and curlies of it is no tag, you're going to get a phone call, and Trak as a company have the right authorities in the place to going and retrieving your vehicle back. Now, less about that, let's have a little look into the back of this thing. Now, the experience of the rear cabin of this car is actually more comparable to a first-class flight than actually being in the back of a van or a minibus, whatever you might take it to be. Loads of foot space there. There's actually a whopping big 65-inch telly in there. Now, these seats as well, they've got a serious amount of control. You can lean them back, you can go forwards, backwards. I'm just going to hop in. It's a really nice, spacious place to be in the back of here. Along the top, you've got all these premium materials. You've got controls for the different shades, and also you can even control with some of the buttons down here. You've got controls for this little glass in the middle there. So if I do want to see the driver, I can flick this button and I can see. If I don't want to see him anymore and I want to block that off, I can push this button again and I can't see anything through there. It turns into like an opaque window, which my camera is struggling to focus on. It's very confusing for a camera. Now, I want to have a chat with the driver. Hey driver, how you doing? Next stop the Shard, please, thank you. And that'll be all for now. Now, in the back of this, it's pretty loaded out. You've got these tablet phones for controlling the TV. There's a widescreen TV here, currently showing 2 separate displays. Going to be looking into how we can project an image onto the back of those. And you've got these seats here which have got a ridiculous amount of control. Honestly, you can literally lay yourself right back in this car and relax. In fact, I think this is more comfortable than first class of the plane, to be entirely honest with you. Now, also in the back we got other little things. What else we got here? We got this storage tray, little table where I can put my laptop on to do a bit of work. Real nice little neat tray there. Everything feels really solid and sturdy, which is nice. Tucks into there. Got a little cup holder here where you can keep your cups, keep your coffee. I saw Matt Watson do a review on this vehicle where he had an open cup of Costa coffee. You know, a ridiculous thing to do in such a vehicle, but he had the vehicle in comfort mode, driving fast and slow, and the open top coffee cup didn't even spill. Inside here we've got a few little things. We've got a wireless charger in the back there, if you can make it out, and also some USB charging sockets. Pretty neat stuff. And yeah, all controls here for the shades, lights, colours. But yeah, honestly, an awesome vehicle to be in. I've sat in a few of the, you know, the chauffeur cars out there that are available, and this tops the S, the 7. This tops them all. You've got big space in the back of it, loads of elbow room, loads of rooms for activities. And yeah, I think if it was going to be me owning a vehicle that I was going to be chauffeured around in, I'd probably select this one. What a vehicle. Now, I think I'm going to wrap it up there. That's pretty much it for this video. You can see my laid back position there. I'll restore the seats position. That is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to showcase this pretty cool car. This is the Lexus LM350h. Thanks for watching us at John Cleese Car Audio, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.